blood, sweat, and tears. Okay, hopefully not blood or tears, but sweat is one of those things that can ruin the experience of wearing an otherwise great pair of glasses or sunglasses. We totally understand the struggle, which is why today you're gonna learn all the tips and hacks that will guarantee your shades will never slip down your face again. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Experience Life Through Fused Lenses YouTube channel. I'm Alana and this is the destination on YouTube to stay updated on eye health, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. We're optical and sunglasses experts in hot, humid, and usually sweaty Florida, so we definitely understand the need for frames that don't slip. And you're in luck, because we've got the best advice for you and all your anti-slipping needs. Alright, let's get into it. So why do your frames always slip down your face?
Why can't they just stay put?
Whether you're playing sports, going on a run, chilling outside in the sun, or just doing everyday activities, you've probably noticed your sunglasses or glasses tend to start falling down on your face. Even though sweat is a big culprit, there's some other things that can make them slip too. The fit of the frame, the tightness of the screws, the weight of the lenses, no matter the cause, it's pretty annoying. So how do you stop them from slipping? And what is causing them to slip in the first place? When you're outdoors regularly, sweat, sunscreen, and lotion buildup over time can make your frames and nose pads greasy. So make sure you're cleaning them often to make them less susceptible to falling down. All you need is a wet rag and some mild soap. And comment below which outdoor activities make you experience the most slipping so we can help you out. The next common cause of slipping are the hinge screws. Over time, when we're constantly putting our glasses on and taking them off, the screws loosen up. This is 100% normal, but unfortunately, it makes for a wider, looser fit. An easy way to fix it is to take a small screwdriver, find the hinge of the frames, tighten them, and they'll be good as new. You can check out our optical size screwdrivers on our site at fusedlenses.com/YouTube. Another fit-related slipping issue is when the bridge or the arm are bent out of shape. You can tell if the lenses or arms aren't level with each other by placing them on a flat surface and seeing if one arm hovers above the surface. If you have misshapen metal frames, just gently bend the arm down on the side where it's too high. If your glasses are made of a less pliable material, like plastic, you can aim a blow dryer at the hinge for about 15 to 20 seconds, which makes it more malleable. Very carefully bend it and voila, you have perfectly fitting frames that won't slip. Another reason why sunglasses slip is that they simply don't fit your face or nose. If you have a slender nose or a flatter nose, you may need to look for sunglasses with adjustable nose pads versus frames that don't. That way you can adjust those nose pads to fit your nose so that they sit nice and snug. If you're not into nose pads, you want to find sunnies that fit your nose on the right spot, or else they will also slip. You'd be surprised at how much fit affects slippage. It's also possible that your frame style just isn't right for your lifestyle. Wearing fashion glasses while doing something active can also cause slipping. You may want to get glasses with rubber nose pads or ones that are made for activity. We have a playlist of videos about the best sunglasses for different activities, like snow sports, fishing, and hunting, linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out. We post lots of videos with helpful information like this, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss when we post. If your glasses don't have any of the issues I mentioned though, you can try waxing the nose pads. Waxing adds a layer of friction between your glasses and your skin and keeps them from slipping. Or you can buy silicone ear hooks that grip the back of your ears and add an extra layer of anti-slipping support. You can also find adjustable silicone nose pads that adhere to your glasses. They create added bridge support and friction to keep them in place. Okay, final reason why your glasses might be slipping is that they're simply too heavy. Luckily, fused lenses can help with that. Most frames and lenses are made of heavy materials like metal and glass, which can weigh down your shades. But at Fuse, our frames and our lenses are made of lightweight, flexible materials and have some other awesome benefits. The new Anclote from Fuse lenses has built-in nose pads, plus optical-grade polycarbonate lenses. They're ultra-lightweight, grippy, all-in-one frames. That means you'll never have to buy wax, ear hooks, or replacement lenses just to get great non-slip sunglasses. Plus, they're wraparounds, which keeps them more secure to your face and helps block out light from your peripheral vision. Another cool feature that keeps them in place are the spring hinges that make them bounce back to their normal shape, so they'll never loosen up and slip. Anclote is best for anyone who's into outdoor activities and sports, which you can learn more about in our video, Best Performance Sunglasses, linked in the description below alongside our activities playlist. The flexible, comfortable, breathable material makes it an awesome option for athletes and people who like to work out. But one of the coolest things about Anclote, and about all of our frames, is that you can completely customize the lenses in them. We have over 20 lens color and customization options like polarization, mirror coatings, prescription, blue light, and even transition lenses. And all of our lenses are made from lightweight polycarbonate, so your frames will never slip and slide. We have our own line of affordable and high quality frames, but we also make replacement lenses for any name brand sunglasses. We'll custom cut specialized lenses to fit your designer or name brand frames that you can easily change them out yourself. Or you can send us your frames through our concierge service and we'll switch them out for you. If you don't see your frame brand or model on our list, we can still make lenses for your unique pair of frames. So not only do we help you protect your eyes, but we make sure you look good while you're at it. So head over to our website at fuselenses.com/YouTube to get started. If this video helped you to keep your shades up, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for videos on vision, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. Can't wait to see you in our next video. Bye!